Oh, down the street, down the street, don't do like.
Today is just 15 minutes jog. My love, you're gonna run.
You don't do like another 20 minutes.
Please,
Latois.
baby, turn it around and let me see you sexy. Down the street. It's not 20 naira motor.
This one is down the street at this point.
It's not 20 naira motor. Like a $20 cab. Let's see how much we got when we're coming back. That's just down the street here. That is your 10.
That means masks are now required when you commute to visit loved ones, go shopping, or finally venture out to fix your home haircut. So keep yourself and others safe. Wear a mask inside all public places.
Wow, okay. 440. I'm trying to. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello. Welcome to our Abu Dhabi for the weekend.
Okay.
When
Going.
you come in here, let's knock.
Are you
Yeah,
okay?
come
Go
in.
Can a camera there in front of us? I beg me. Go inside.
You come in. First you see is this walkway and me. Inside looking pretty.
Are you sure it's first
Yes.
thing you see?
Is the bathroom.
Can you turn on the lights in the bathroom?
It's a basic bathtub, sink, towels, tissue. There's no need to see the bathroom.
There's no need, are you sure?
This then the drug cabinet. 42 fans each month. See? Yeah, empty places where you can hide pregnancy pills. Washer, and a dryer, and soap.
Okay.
We're not washing anything. We're very lazy. We don't even wash in our house.
How
No
dare
to
you.
go. Somebody says. Then you
Okay.
come.
Okay.
The other thing you see on your left is the bedroom. Yeah. I don't like grey. Like when I said it was white, they now put grey. Maybe it's even a dirty bedsheet, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not upset. Then this gets me. Any place I go to, once you have mirrors, I like looking at myself because I think I'm very pretty. I know I'm very pretty. So I double-sided mirrors. I love it. Full length. Then there's the lamp. Pretty. No, pretty standard. And exposing glasses so that everyone can see your pants. That's what I'm doing also. It's okay. It's okay. So it's like open style. You can walk in, walk out. And this leads you to this place, this pretty place. Yeah, I didn't show you guys this place. So this place, it's so this place they say it sleeps 5 people. So I'm guessing 2 on the queen bed. This and then this also you can also double out, like you can pull it out and it doubles like a king size bed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you put another mattress here. So there's
Yeah, that's the
That's
two.
two, yeah.
Yeah, that's how it is. So
Pretty
you just
cute.
move the other one down.
Well, just 2 of us, so we don't need all of this. I probably sleep on the couch. I don't like luxury. It's not like I don't like. I'm not used to luxury. And then this brings me to the living area. I do not know why there's no light here. But I
Because
appreciate
all the light you're gonna get is from the window.
because if you get light, all your nakedness, the whole entire community will see it. Yeah, let's look at the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Pretty standard. I like it. It's very eye-shaped kitchen. So there's the cabinet. We just got the back of water. There's a burner. We're not going to use it. Microwave, oven.
They put pots there
Basic
for us to
thing.
use that. They put burner.
Yeah. There's washing machine which we will not use to because we have hand. Yeah, pots like this.
Oh, they actually need to have pans. Okay.
Yeah, pans. You can have
Fair
spoon.
enough, you can fry egg.
Hey, that's cool. They're nice sets. There are wine glasses we plan to turn up tonight. No, not tonight, tomorrow night.
Okay.
And let's check out the. I think they are lights.
I don't
These
know.
are lights.
Oh, okay.
But where is the switch? And this is my favorite.
Can we go
part.
out? Did you go out before? I could not open it. I tried to. Oh, okay.
A village girl. So, this is the outside. Oh my god! I put on the GoPro, what is it? Jesus. I I am so scared of heights. And I chose this place because we are trying to overcome. This place is high up. That's the sunlight. Good, I'm feeling dizzy. Sunlight, okay. Especially around the sunlight here. Go and take a look at it.
You have to take a look.
No,
Something like that,
no,
guys.
just the camera. Like we're on the 44th floor. It's a madness. Never stayed like this high before. Yeah.
So massive. It's cold. Gosh, my leg is cold.
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself. Oh, we're having some. Like it's not like. Well, sit there. Let me see. It's kind of washing you out, so I have to keep on walking on the ISO as the sun is coming. Oh, I think this is nicer. Boy, this is still nicer. There's more warmth here than it. It's very cool. Yeah, I like this. Then I'll sit there. Okay.
People are ready boarding right now. We are finally boarded and we are standing here. So we are just waiting for you to start. This is the grass here inside, but we don't know now.
Stadium. Hello dear.
I think Toronto people enjoy walking so much. They walk like camels.
Manta, what is this one about? What is this one about? Eh?
Which one is the lady? Of is dying. It is so freaking bright. Come on, 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 come on. Guara, 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 guara.
Through the fields of our paths.
Yeah, calm down. Calm down. Yeah, vlog me. Yeah, vlog me finish.
Go back.
Okay.
It's like I'm walking up. What is Aboriginal? One of these tall buildings. But this one. It's not here. Oh. It's, what is this? It looks like this place. It's this place.
What's that?
Where was there? It looks like somewhere like that. It's got the buildings behind you now. That's not enough.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They just thrown caution to the wind now. And Trump is still going to win the election.
Like it's almost certain. Like
The fire's in your face. Smells nice. Yeah, what's
where is this one?
I can go back and put a DVD and just put your sis like this. And just see what you look like. Take a second. What?
Just wanna be here.
You just wanna be
Pay
there?
more money. You can be here for free.
No, you don't want to pay more money. Or you want to keep staying here?
I am.
Keep lounging here.
Yeah, it's very cozy. I can see you enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I stay here and drink hot cocoa.
What did you call it?
Hot cocoa. Warm cocoa.
Warm cocoa.
And be able to look outside and see things that are out of my reach. Like the private jets there.
Oh.
You know, just living beside it just makes you feel bougie. I don't want to go.
No, you know, you can just keep living here and, you know.
Can I live here for free? Sugar daddy, please.
Who's your sugar daddy?
I will do. It's true.
Give him a shout out. maybe,
Justin.
maybe he might listen to you.
Government of Canada so dog food. Justin Trudeau and all of that.
Okay. We've heard your prayers. So probably we'll send it to the people that need to listen.
Please.
Okay?
I can read you story. I can gist you movie.
You can do
Very
what?
talented in gisting. So you mean that tomorrow now I have to start making money and working.
Exactly. You have to go back to work.
I don't want to.
Why would you not want to? How do you intend to keep affording this lifestyle?
By being a sugar baby, we don't give you sugar.
You crack jokes, man.
I do.
You gonna keep sleeping here? I mean, you can just stay. You just get more charges or something, but I'll just move my credit card, so there's no.
I'll move my own so
I can put you on so that they can start counting from there. Yeah, there'll be no problem.
Life. Oh, life.
And females have female friends. Yeah, you can have male friends, but have female friends. It's good for you.
So what is getting tipsy on the alcoholized wine?
How does that make sense? How can you get tipsy?
Yeah, that's the real question.
How can you get tipsy?
Because now you're giving nuggets that nobody asked for.
You don't have any tip inside. You can be tipsy. It's just.
See, doesn't have any tip. Are you sure you're not? Okay.
Read your Bible and drink some wine. It's a good time to do that. That word is a lamp unto my feet.
Yeah.
And a light. Can you see how light this drink is?
You cannot tell me that. You are not high yet.
And I'm not high.
Okay.
Okay. I'm very aware of my surroundings. I'm very conscious of what's going on around me. So I'm not high. Okay?
Okay.
Don't say such things. Those are forbidden here. Okay? Positive things only. Alright?
Okay.
No, we have to speak. Well, why did you highlight this? Moreover, the profit of the earth is for all.
Yeah.
It's for all.
Yeah.
It's for all.
PwC, Deloitte, Delta. You can't be profiting alone. It's for me
The king
too.
himself is served by the few. So this land must serve me.
It has to.
I'm a queen, please. This land must serve me. That's why I have to enjoy myself. I need to pour some more wine, please. I have to enjoy myself. I can't just no. See, Bible is speaking to me this evening. It says that I
The
have to
profit
enjoy
of the
myself.
earth.
This profit of the land, this Toronto. I need to buy my own Airbnb. So yeah. This is a view to wake up to.